There is no one fits all approach when learning how to effectively study. Studying methods should be tailored to each student, and everyone has different abilities, so it is important to determine what works for you. And remember, what works for you might not work for the other, so just determine, just to know what exactly works for you. Hello guys, welcome to today's vlog. It is a great time having you on this channel. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please do. Subscription is free. And for those that have subscribed, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing and for coming back to most of the videos to watch. I say thank you. Yeah, in today's video we'll be talking about how to learn, how to effective learning, effective studying. There are some of the points that is very important to note when you are learning, and learning is, I say, is a continual process. It's a gradual process and a continual process. There's no limit per se for learning. So each day by day we do learn. And finding the best way to study is the ongoing process. And it isn't something that is just left to the night before test or before something, before exam or before test or before exam. You should be constantly improving in your study skill for better understanding of what works for you. So it's something that you have to day by day. It's every day by day process, so there's no limit. So one of the great points we'll be looking at is getting yourself organized. Getting yourself organized is one of the important points we have to even as a student, getting yourself organized, not only in study and even in your day-to-day life, is one of the great important key you just have to look onto. One of the points is having like a work planner. When you get a work planner, you know what time you have to do an assignment, what you have to do at so time, without you getting yourself being like jack of all readers. Yeah, that is the first point, is getting yourself organized. And so our second point is pay attention in class. Yeah, paying attention in class is one of the greatest things that if you don't have it as a gift, per se, you just like being distracted by all. So as paying attention in class is very important. It's very important factors here to concentrate and avoid distractions. And when the teacher is speaking, you just have to be concentrate. You just have to be focused and practice active listening by concentrating on what is being said and taking notes in your own words. When you are taking notes, taking class notes, when the teacher is saying something, lecturing, you'll be taking notes. Taking notes on your own words is very important. It will help you make sure you hear and also understand what is being taught in class. Yeah, our third most key point for effective study is stay clear of distraction. Stay clear of distraction. As we all know, distraction is said to be very, very rampant. Very, very rampant. Not only in educational process, even in social life or every day-to-day life of human, there is on 99%, let me not say 100, 99% of distraction. So staying clear of distraction will help you to concentrate more and to get you more organized and to get you more listening and understand what is being taught or what is being said or what the lecturer is saying. As I said earlier, distraction is just everywhere, from the cell phone to social media to friends. Be aware of what distracts you the most. Some persons it might be phone calls, some persons what distracts them most is friends. So you got just to know what exactly gets you most distract. So how to stay clear of these distractions? Avoid sitting next to friends. Per se, if you know that a friend is a kind of person, or the person you're sitting close to is the kind of person that will get you distracted, the best thing to do is to stay away and stay clear from such person. And turning off your cell phone is one of the great points, so that it will help you listen attentively to what your teacher or what your teacher is lecturing, or what you're listening to. So staying clear for distraction is very important. Yeah, our fourth most key is make sure notes are complete. Make sure notes are complete. Don't be a lazy notes copier. Don't be a lazy student who don't copy notes, who don't look updates to update their notes. Just make sure that your notes and everything about that particular course per se you're taking is being completed. Yeah, writing clear and complete notes in class will help you process the information you are learning, and these notes will also become study notes. So why not try it? It's very important, and it will help you to develop your writing skill and to improve your spelling skill too. So taking notes is one of the greatest, it's one of the key points that is very essential when having an effective studying. So, and this note being taken can also be reviewed or reviewed before test or before exam. So talk to friends or teachers if you know you have missed a class to ensure your notes are complete. Talking to someone or collecting a friend notes is not something you have ego. So doing that will help you to complete your notes and to help you to list to be updated, to prepare yourself for a review for exam or a review for test. Yeah, our fifth most great point now is to ask question if you don't understand. Yeah, asking question if you don't understand is one of the most important skill which every student, per se every human, I should say every human should acquire, should abide. The ability to ask questions should be embedded in every human being. Yeah. Some persons per se who feel like if I ask questions, they'll think that they will think I don't know anything, feeling shy or being under the desk or being isolated with fear. And so no, the moment you start asking questions of what you don't understand, the right time you are paving way for excellence in your life. You are paving way for your future. You are paving way for to beat down shyness in your life, to beat down unconfidence, to be confident, to be successful. So the moment you start asking questions of what you don't understand, you get yourself more prepared, and you acquired more knowledge of what you don't understand. So the fifth point is ask question if you don't understand. Asking question is not a crime. Asking question when lecture is going on is not a crime. Raising your hand to ask question in a polite way is not, nobody says it's a crime. It's not actually a crime. It's not a crime. So get yourself prepared. Make sure you ask question if you don't understand something, and if you don't feel comfortable asking in front of everyone, there's also, you can as well write yourself a reminder or talk to the teacher after class, in order not to, if you feel if you try it, if you ask questions, your so-called colleague will laugh at you, or your classmates, or I will like your college will laugh at you. So the best thing is to see your lecturer or your teacher after class, so as he or she will give you more explanation of what is being taught. Another thing is looking at one of the brilliant per se, there's nobody per se that's above learning. So don't feel shy, don't feel discouraged. If you want to ask question whenever you feel like asking question. Whenever you think you don't understand particular thing. Yeah, guys, yay. That reminds me of some certain events of particular persons. Yeah, if you feel if you don't want to ask question in public, I just think meeting someone that is more brilliant than you, how will you know? You know through the grade and you know through the performance of such individual. You can associate yourself with such person. Yeah, this is all the points we have for today. See you next time on this channel, on this same great channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Do have a blessed day.